Hello Internet, this is Scott with Scott's Garage, and today I am privileged to be working on my 2012 Ford Fusion Hybrid. And today is a video of diagnostics. We are going to see if the tie rods need to be replaced. So please notice I have the car both jacked up and also a jack stand, always safety first. And when it comes to the tie rods, there are the outer tie rod, which is right here, but there's also an inner tie rod that's underneath this boot, and there are two ball sockets, both on the inner and also the outer, and these ball sockets simply they wear out. So I'm going to test it right now. Okay, what we're going to do now is remove this cotter key, and once we do that, we'll back off the nut. And this particular ball joint comes from the bottom up, so we're going to carefully tap down, and the ball joint should drop. Okay, to remove that nut, it's a 17 millimeter. Flush, and I'll take a small hammer, there it is, and just tap it down. Okay, you can see I was able to easily drop it down, a few hits of the mallet up here, and now I'm just going to again just inspect this. The outer ball joint feels really good. It's meant to move. It's not loose though, it's not sloppy at all. So this outer ball joint again is in good shape. Now the inner one is underneath the boot. Can't see it, but what I can feel, if you push in and pull out, there shouldn't be any slop. There's no slop at all. It's loose. Well, it moves freely. It's not loose, but it moves freely like it should. A new one would be a little bit stiffer than that, but man, I'm not feeling any slop at all. So I'm going to rule this out as far as tie rods. Rule that out as being any source of the noises I still have on the front end. Okay, so my conclusion is that this does not need to be replaced. So save yourself some money by not replacing parts unnecessarily. I'm going to put it back in. Please notice that this stud right here, that you can put a wrench up here. When you put the nut on, it sometimes the whole stud will, once you get it tight, the whole stud will move, and you put a wrench on this upper end so you can correctly torque the nut. And I'll check and see if there's any torque settings for this. Okay, according to what I looked up online, 55 foot-pounds of torque for the nut for this outer tie rod. There we go. Don't forget to put the cotter key back in. Hey, thanks for making it this far in the video. If you like the video, please hit like. It costs you nothing, but is of great value to me. Please also consider subscribing to Scott's Garage and hit the bell notification for upcoming videos. Now, I am not a professional mechanic. I'm simply a backyard mechanic, a do-it-yourselfer. I've loved working on cars since my teenage years. This literally is my garage. Would love to have you come back and watch another episode of Scott's Garage. Please also consider downloading the Brave browser. Now, I heard about Brave for months. Various YouTubers didn't check it out, but I did a couple months ago. Absolutely love it. I've been using it ever since. It's very fast, very safe, very secure, very unique. You can disable all ads if you want to, or you can get paid to watch ads using the Brave browser. Check it out. Have a great day.